fun farm adventures with SmartBabyToon. Hey there, farmtastic friends. Welcome back to SmartBabyToon, where today we're diving into the wacky world of farm animals. Welcome back, Quirky Quackers. Meet the Quack! Can you guess who's waddling our way first? Quazy the duck, the queen of the pond, and her ducky pals. Ducks love splashing around and saying hello with a loud quack quack. Meet Daisy Wiggly Tails. Oink, oink! Look who's ready to roll in the mud. This is Percy the pig. Pigs are super smart and love to snuffle around for yummy treats in the mud. This is Percy the chicken chatter. Cluck cluck! Who's ready for some feathered fun? Cluck Clucky the chicken and her fluffy friends. Chickens love scratching for bugs and clucking away to each other all day long. Here's Terrific Adventures with Cows. Moo moo! Can you hear that gentle mooing? Meet Munchie the cow and her moo-tastic herd. Cows love munching on grass and mooing hello to their friends. Meet Munchie Bunny Bonanza. Hop hop! Who's hopping by to say hello? These are Benny and Bonnie bunnies. Bunnies are experts at hopping around and twitching their cute little noses. These are goats galore. Silly Ba! Can you spot who's climbing up the hill? Say hello to Gabby and Gus, our adventurous goats. Goats love to climb and nibble on everything in sight. Say hello to horses hoofing around. Happy day! Look who's trotting over to say hi! Henry and Harmony, our friendly horses. Horses love galloping in fields and showing off their shiny coats. Daring donkeys, doing donkey things. Daring hee-haw! Guess who's braying with joy? Here's Danny and Dolly, the dynamic donkey duo. Donkeys are known for their playful brays and love for munching on hay. Here's Danny and woolly sheep. Wonderful! Can you hear that fluffy noise? Shaggy and Shirley, our fluffy sheep friends. Sheep love munching on grass and bawing to their pals in the meadow. Meet Shaggy mules on the move. Marvelous hee-haw! Who's kicking up a storm? Here's Marty and Millie, our magnificent mules. Mules are a mix of horse and donkey, known for their strength and spirited personalities. Terrific turkeys on parade. Terrific gobble! Can you hear that distinctive sound? Gobble! Tommy and Tina Turkey, the gobble-tastic pair. Turkeys are famous for their gobbling calls and spectacular plumage. Meet Jenny Emus exploring. Energetic Emu, who's racing across the farm. Say hi to Eddie and Emma Emu. Emus are speedy runners and have a knack for exploring their surroundings. Say hi to llamas lounging around. Llama, guess who's showing off their fluffy fur? Larry and Lulu Llama, our fluffy friends. Llamas are known for their soft fur and gentle humming sounds. Meet Larry Peacocks putting on a show. Peacock, can you see their dazzling feathers? Here's Percy and Polly Peacock, our fancy feathered friends. Peacocks love to strut and show off their magnificent tails. Here's brave Billy. Meet Billy, our magnificent bull standing tall and strong. Bulls like Billy are known for their strength and courage. They are the gentle giants of the farm, protecting their herd with a watchful eye. Bulls like Patches. Meet Patches, our energetic pup wagging their tail. Looks like Patches are full of energy and love to play. They're our best friends for life. And there you have it, farmtastic friends. From ducks to chicks, pigs to peacocks, each farm animal has its own unique charm. And there you enjoy meeting the most today. Which forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more wild and woolly adventures here at SmartBabyToon. See you on the farm!